GDCap 26 here, just do tips and repairs and hobbies. And this is about airbrushes and why we have three airbrushes. And basically, I have a 3.0 here, a 2.0, and a 1.5. All have the same grip because the feel of the airbrush is the same when I use all three. Also, there's a side feed on two brushes. Side feeds are a little bit more difficult to clean than top feeds, but you can see down the front of the airbrush better with the side feed. Okay, top feeds, you can remove the cup on this one and look down the top of the brush, but you can only put very little paint in after that, just for details. And each one has a water trap or water filter, and it provides a good grip, like a handle, and it has a quick release on each one for the hose. I recommend three because 3.0, is for, like, I consider big stuff. You can go small in detail with 3.0, sure. 2.0, a little more detail, and then 1.5, very fine detail with the brushes. Of course, I also paint with regular hand brushes for detail. So this is new to me. And I find you can work through doing details and models a lot quicker with three. I get all my equipment from Spray Gunner, so just a little shout out to them. And I wanted to show you this. There's below in the comments below, you'll see I wrote out a page which I was going to read from, but that didn't turn out too well. But please read it. It's a good synopsis of what I'm talking about here. And if you have any questions about, spray, different comments and questions, you can let me know in the comments below. And I hope you have a good day. Thanks for watching. And I'll tell you, this is the Grex XTSI. This is the a TCP, I think it's called, side feed. And this is the Harden and Steenbeck. I have the 1.5 needle in that, a 2.0 on this, and a 3.0 on this. So if you, like I said, have any questions, let me know in the comments below. And we'll see you. Give me a thumbs up if you want. If you don't like it, give me the thumbs down. It's okay. And we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.